Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm hiding from people. It's scary out here. So, that. Alright. Over here, same thing. We got BG12LXs, Spectrum Classics, Hex Wedge. So yeah. Laundry room. Let's see over here. Page 12. None over here. Oh, that one. Anyway, exit sign. That. We're in the lobby area. So here's that. A lot of spider webs on there, but crazy. Yeah. Another Spectre Alert Classic. Some snacks. Another Spectre Alert Classic. That's lots. But yeah, we got another pull station right here. Yeah. Stupid door. Anyway, and closed. I mean, obviously, stupid door. Got some nice lighting out there. Nice. Some cookies. Yeah. Where is this? Oh, more area. Creepy. Yeah, so kind of noisy up here. Same thing. P2R's up here and upstairs. Yeah, so. It's kind of noisy up there. There's just a vending machine. Too loud. Anyway, peace. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.